guys, welcome back to the channel. It's been a little bit since I've done a video. Things are kind of getting busy around here. I've been working on the Camaro and just a bunch of other stuff. The weather's getting nicer. I'm not necessarily planning on taking another hiatus from the bench, but I'm expecting that things will probably slow down a little bit. As you can see, I don't have anything done on the 55. However, I did want to show you guys. So Bob over at the Garage with Zippy was telling me about a guy on eBay that he buys a lot of wheels and tires from, and I was looking for somebody to replicate the wheels on my 1-to-1 Camaro. And he told me about well, I'll show you. I got a sticker from him. So Z-Force Model Works. This is what they made for me, and I don't know how well this is going to show up. The wheels, and I mean, the wheels and tires look amazing. They're the wheels and tires basically from my 1-to-1 Camaro, Mickey Thompson ET drag radials. And it's great, except that the tires are a little bit smaller than what I'd hoped for. I'm going to try them on the Camaro when I get ready to get back on that project. However, I did try one of the slicks from the 67 Chevelle Pro Street, and the wheels fit in there, so worst case scenario, I could do that. But yeah, guys, it's Saturday morning. Hope you all are having a great weekend so far. And yeah, if any of you need anything like custom made, I'd recommend this Z-Force Model Works. They're really nice, and the price were reasonable. I got 2 sets of them. I'm not sure why, because I'll probably only do one replica of my car, but you never know. Anyway, hope you all had a great week. Hope you're having a great weekend so far, and we will see you on the next one. Bye-bye.